Specifically on the insurance industry, what are some of the challenges that industry is particularly facing at the moment?
So over the last few years, it's been an industry that's been subject to a lot of regulation, a lot of regulatory change, and it's just been one thing after another. They've had Solvency II come along, and now we've had IFRS 17, which if you're, reporting globally, you really need to adhere to. Obviously, in the US, if you're listed in the US, you've got to, adhere to US GAAP. But even then, if you've got international investors, you probably have to, report under IFRS to some extent anyway, because that's how people want to compare and know that they're, making their investments in the right way. So even, jurisdictions where that mightn't have been an important local reporting requirement, it is still actually a global reporting requirement because of their investors in a lot of cases. But, it's been a significant change for the insurance industry, and it's really changed the way finance and the actuarial teams have to work together hand in hand instead of being two separate islands that used to do things. Now you've had to automate the feeds from the actuarial systems and get them into the accounting, because your accounting's now being driven from your expectation of how your policies are going to perform, and you're releasing your profit based on how you're expecting them to perform and then adjusting them for reality instead of accounting for them based on your actual cash coming in and out the door and then reserving against that. So it's just a different way of doing things, but it's really fundamentally changed the way it needs to work and the granularity, etc. as well. So automation is really key, or you just, it's very, very difficult as soon as you've got any volume at all to be able to compile, to be able to comply with IFRS 17.